Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you 2 ways to use aloe vera on your hair for extreme hair growth. So I have in my hand 3 big aloe vera plants, and this is what I'll be using for this video. Okay, so I'm going to extract the juice from the aloe vera plant and then put this in my spray container. My hair is already netrized and it's super dry and okay, so I'm going to be spraying this aloe vera gel on my dry hair to moisturize this. This is going to serve as a leave-in conditioner. This is going to help soften your natural hair. It's going to promote your natural hair. It's going to detangle your hair. So if you haven't watched the video on how to extract your aloe vera gel at home, I have the video in my page or on my page, so you can do well to check and then check out how to extract aloe vera gel at home. So this is the first method I'm using. So this is aloe vera as a leave-in conditioner for extreme hair growth, for extreme hair growth. So this is the first method of using aloe vera on your hair. So I'm going to moisturize this dry hair. If this is your first time passing by, thank you so much and I appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel to help me grow this channel. I make videos on natural hair and a lot more. If you're looking out for your hair growth videos, I have videos on it. And please, if you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And when you subscribe to my channel, do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. So after I spray my hair with the aloe vera gel, I am going to put it back to twist. So I'm going to twist the hair back just to keep the gel in the hair to moisturize it all. So I'm going to do same for the rest of my hair, and then okay, so let's watch this video. Let's watch this and watch the second method of using aloe vera on your hair for extreme hair growth. So don't forget, if you like the video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave your comment below. So I'm done with the spraying. All my hair has been moisturized, and that is the first method. So the second method to use aloe vera on your hair is by making aloe vera oil. So I have a video on how to make aloe vera oil on my channel. Please do well to check and make your own aloe vera oil. That's all. So you can go for this or go for the leave-in conditioner, or you can use both methods at home, and this is going to give you a very positive outcome if you use this method continuously. So I'm going to put some aloe vera oil on my hair, in fact on the root of my hair, and this is also going to promote hair growth. It's going to leave my hair so shining and soft. So any method that works for you, or you can use both methods. If you love this video, once again, please give me a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Until then, let's meet in my new video.